Assalamu alaikum dear students, and good morning to all of you. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing great. Kids, welcome to the class. As you all know, my name is Nida Sahar and I am your science teacher. So kids, as you all know that we have started our fourth chapter, our food. In my previous lecture, I had talked about why do we need food, main nutrients found in our food like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. We also had discussed about what is a balanced diet. In today's lecture, I am going to give a quick review to these topics, and I am going to talk about cooking and preserving food. I am also going to discuss book exercises with you. So let's get started. So kids, do you remember why do we need food? We need food to get energy, to grow, and to help our body remain healthy by fighting diseases. Different foods have different nutrients that help us in different ways. Some nutrients provide energy, some help us to grow, some nutrients help us to fight diseases. And what are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances that are present in our food which provide us energy to grow, to repair our body parts, and to remain healthy by fighting diseases. So kids, as you all know that there are 6 main nutrients that are present in our food. Number 1, proteins. Number 2, carbohydrates. Number 3, fats. Number 4, vitamins. Number 5, minerals. Number 6, water. There are 6 main nutrients that are present in our food. So kids, do you remember what are proteins? Proteins are the nutrients that help our body in growth. Our body needs protein to grow. Children need a lot of protein. So these are the nutrients that help our body in growth, in repairing tissues, organs and other body parts, and in building muscles. Here are the examples of food that contain protein, which include fish, eggs, meat, all kind of meat that include mutton, chicken and beef. They are rich in protein. Pulses and beans, all pulses and beans are rich in protein. They contain high amount of protein. So these are the examples, some examples of food that contain proteins. So kids, which nutrients give us quick energy? Carbohydrates are the nutrients that give us quick energy. And there are 2 types of carbohydrates. Can you name them? Sugar and starches are 2 kinds of carbohydrates. Children who play a lot and people who do physical labor need a lot of carbohydrates because these are the nutrients that give us quick energy. So kids, as I have mentioned earlier that there are 2 types of carbohydrates, sugar and starches. The food that contain sugar include donuts, sweets, candies and cakes. And the natural source of sugar are bananas, pineapple and strawberries. These are the food that contain sugar. Now the sources of starch. The food that contains starch include bread, potato, cereals, rice, wheat. These are the food that contain starch, and starch and sugars are the types of carbohydrates. Now fats. Fats are the nutrients that give our body energy to store. Our body uses the stored fat for energy if it does not get enough food. Fats also help us to keep us warm. Our body also makes its own fat from the food that we eat. The food that contain fats include oil, butter, ghee, cheese, cream, and nuts. These are the sources of fats. These are the food that contain high amount of fats: oil, butter, ghee, cheese, cream, and nuts. Now the vitamins. Vitamins are the group of nutrients that our body needs for good health and proper growth. Only a small quantity of each vitamin is required. So kids, there are 6 types of vitamins. Can you name them? Okay, repeat after me. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So kids, here are some sources of vitamins. Almost all vegetables and fruits contain all kinds of vitamins. For example, fish contains vitamin A, which is good for your eyesight. Bread, eggs, they contain vitamin B that are good for your heart and nerves. And oranges and all citrus fruits contain vitamin C that is good for your skin, bones, gums, and teeth. And cheese and milk contains vitamin D, which is good for your bones and teeth. So almost all kinds of food contain different types of vitamins, and they are the nutrients that are vital for our life. But their small quantity of each vitamin is required. But if the body does not get any vitamin in proper quantity, it can cause dangerous diseases. Now the minerals. Just like vitamins, minerals help your body to grow, develop, and stay healthy. These are the nutrients that our body requires in small quantities to remain healthy. Some minerals also help to build our body parts. The body uses minerals to perform many different functions, from building strong bones. Some minerals are even used to make hormones or maintain a normal heartbeat. So just like vitamins, minerals help your body to grow, develop, and stay healthy. So here are the food that contain minerals, and here are some types of minerals like calcium, zinc, magnesium, iron, and potassium. These minerals are present in different types of food. For example, if I talk about calcium, as you all know, it is present in all dairy products like milk, cheese and yogurt, and it is helpful for making your bones strong. High amount of iron is present in apple, spinach, potato. So iron forms blood in your body. And if I talk about potassium is high amount of potassium is present in bananas, and potassium helps in making your muscles working better, right? So these are all the foods that contain minerals. Here comes the most essential nutrient, water. Kids, as you all know that water makes up more than half of our body weight. We lose a lot of water every day. We lose water when we sweat, breathe or pass urine. We must replace this water. As you all know that all food contain water. They give us some of the water required by our body. But in addition, we must drink a lot of water to stay healthy. Drinking water helps maintain the balance of body fluids. As I have mentioned earlier that our body is composed of about 60% water. The functions of these bodily fluids include digestion, absorption, circulation, creation of saliva, transportation of all the nutrients, and maintenance of the body temperature. These all functions are performed by the water if we are drinking proper and enough amount of water. Water also helps. It also increases energy and relieves fatigue. It promotes weight loss. It flushes out all the toxins from your body. It also improves your skin complexion and maintains regularity. So we must drink enough water that fulfill all of our body needs. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Okay kids, can you tell me what is a balanced diet after watching this picture? The diet which have all the nutrients that our body needs in proper quantities is called a balanced diet. The diet which have all the 6 main nutrients in proper amount is called a balanced diet. Kids, as you all know that some foods such as fruits and some vegetables are not cooked. They should be washed properly to get rid of germs and dust before eating. We should properly wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Other foods such as vegetables, pulses and meat are cooked before eating. Cooking makes food soft, tasty and easy to digest. Cooking also kills germs in the food. But overcooking of food destroys several nutrients in it. So we should properly wash our fruits before eating, and we should properly cook pulses, meat and some vegetables before eating, right? Now preserving food. Kids, as you all know that stale food goes bad because germs and molds start growing in it. Food can be stored for a few days in the fridge or freezers. This is because germs cannot grow well in the cold conditions. These days you can get frozen food in the market. These foods can be kept in the freezer of our refrigerator for several weeks. But it is better to eat fresh food rather than stored food. But you can keep and store your food in the refrigerator for several weeks, for a longer period of time. For example, if you keep meat outside for one day, would you be able to eat it? No, but if you keep it into the freezer, you can eat it after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, right? So freezers and refrigerators help to preserve food. Okay, it's time to discuss book exercises. On page 29 there is exercise A. Put a tick for true and a cross for false. A. All nutrients give energy to our body. Yes, all nutrients give energy? No. B. Fats give you quick energy. No. Which nutrient give you quick energy? Carbohydrates. C. Vitamins and minerals are required by the body in small amounts. True. D. Germs can be killed by heating food. Yes. E. Frozen food does not get spoiled for a long time. True. Okay, now exercise 2. Name these. A. The food that helps you to grow. Which nutrient help you to grow? Proteins. B. The food that keeps your body warm. Fats. C. If you do not get them in proper quantities in your food, you can get dangerous diseases. Vitamins and minerals. D. This makes up more than half of your body weight. Water. E. They give you quick energy. Tell me which nutrient give you quick energy? Carbohydrates. F. Diet that has all the necessary nutrients. It is called a balanced diet. Right. Okay kids, that is all for the today's lecture. I hope everything is well understood. I am going to see you in the next class. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe and study hard. Take care and Allah Hafiz.